All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Dunks, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to King Von with Took Her to the O, and obviously, man, rest in peace, King Von. From the time of me recording this, he passed away 2 days ago. Really sad. He had a lot of potential. Obviously, he just started like blowing up like a couple months ago, so it's really crazy, man. It's really sad. Go listen to this song. Let's actually I guess bump up the streams, man, because it's a really good song, amazing song. And yeah, let's take a look at the Dunks. All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Lemon Wash or Community Gardens Dunks, and these are fire, man. I got a size 9.5. Retail was $100, and I'm gonna just say it now, go true to size on Dunks. If you have an SB, go half size up. That's just what I do. I wasn't able to get my size because my friend only had a size 9.5, but he gave me a steal on these, so I couldn't pass it up. These are so nice, man, and these sold out instantly. Obviously right now they're going for around $450, $500 depending on the size, but they're fire, man. I think I paid like $310, so shout out my friend, he gave me a steal. But yeah, these are just awesome, bro. Let me just spin them around for you guys. It's just a really solid shoe, man. The whole shoe is just all canvas, and you can see that lemon wash at the bottom and with the swoosh, even with the laces. It's just a really good touch. Here, let me spin it around for you guys. It's on the insole too. Really dope shoe, man. I always drop shoes, by the way, but awesome shoe. Definitely one of the best Dunks that have came out this year. I really like this colorway, man, and a lot of people actually started comparing this to a Travis Scott shoulder shoe just because of the vibe, I guess. It's such a good shoe. I don't know, man. I really like this. Is it better than the Travis Scott Dunk? I don't know, to be honest. It's a really good dunk, but I don't know if I would say it's better than the Travis Scott Dunks. Quality wise, it's pretty good. It's a nice canvas material. I don't really know the material on the swoosh, but here, maybe you guys can see it. It's kind of like dots, so I'm not really sure, but it is a good material. Really solid shoe. And another thing I do want to say about this shoe is that not every single shoe is going to be exactly the same. So this shoe is different from this shoe, which is going to be different from your cousin's shoe, which is going to be different from your mom's shoe. So they're all going to be a little bit different, which it's kind of cool, man. Look, you can even see it right here. If I put them right next to each other, they're not exactly the same. As you can see from the stars, see, they're a little bit different, man. So yeah, not all of them are going to be exactly the same, which it just makes your pair a little bit extra special. And again, I would suggest going true to size. These do fit like every other Dunk, so that's true to size for me. For you, it might be a little bit different. Also, again, it's not an SB, so there is no fat tongue. Again, see, look, mine's a little bit different from the other shoe. Really solid colorway, man. And again, I don't know what about it, man, but that lemon wash is just so nice, man. I don't know. I really like this shoe. Really solid colorway. Also, sock liner. It's kind of like a bluish, and I don't know what it is, man, because this burgundy color right here with this off-white midsole, a yellow lemon wash swoosh with laces, and a bluish color should not go together. But in theory it shouldn't, but it looks really good on this shoe. Really happy I was able to pick these up. There's also a little sticker in there. I'm not sure what that is. Also Nike, it's on the back as well. Just a really well done shoe. And let's take a look at these on feet, but make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.